Let's take a look at the weather now, and it looks like a mostly dry weekend ahead, Graham.
Yeah, the mostly is the key word there. If you're along the coast anywhere north of about Sydney, there is the potential of a shower. We saw a little bit of that today, not the showers, but the cloud associated with the weak front moving into the Tasman. We also saw some frost in parts of the west this morning. It was sunny ahead of that afternoon cloud, and our tops ranged up to about 2 degrees above the average. Now, there weren't many towns with double-digit minimums overnight. Cooma was the coldest town at minus 5.2 degrees, but Tenterfield and Braidwood, also Wanaring, were the coldest compared to average. And maximums were mostly sitting within about 2 degrees of average this afternoon. We've got a slow-moving high. This is now the dominant feature on the state. It's bringing southerly winds on its eastern side. That's what's going to trigger some isolated coastal showers anywhere north of around Sydney. The high itself is currently centred just over the northwest of Victoria. It's not expected to move over the Tasman Sea until around about Tuesday, so it's going to maintain those cooler conditions, but it will turn much milder from around the middle of next week. And Perth is the only capital expecting wet weather over the weekend, although the Gold Coast and the Sunshine Coast, also coastal parts of Brisbane, could see some isolated and generally light showers. And those showers are possible along the exposed coastal areas from about Port Macquarie to Cape Byron. That's where we've got the highest chance of that activity, although they are pretty much possible anywhere north of about Sydney to Gosford. A little bit more widespread and a bit more likely on Sunday. Now, in the northeast, we've got some areas of fog and frost on the Tableland and the Upper Hunter, a partly cloudy day throughout, just those isolated and light showers near the coast. And moderate southerly winds, though they will tend lighter on the inshore Hunter waters. We've got some widespread frost and fog along the Tablelands, also the coastal ranges. It should be dry and mostly sunny, though, apart from slightly cloudy conditions in the far north. And winds on the waters should also mostly ease as we move through the afternoon. Over the inland, some areas of frost and fog pretty much anywhere through the region. We've got a dry and mostly sunny day to follow, and generally light winds throughout as well. Winds on the offshore waters of Sydney will freshen as we move through the morning. Our lows are going to range from 4 to 13 and our tops should reach about 15 to 17. So a partly cloudy day, should be mostly dry though, apart from those very isolated and light coastal showers, but they're a little bit more likely in the morning. Now we could see 1 or 2 of those about the coast, possibly reaching as far inland as the city on Sunday and Monday. But it's around Wednesday, Jeremy, temperatures pushing back up into the low 20s.
Can't wait, Graham, thank you. And that is the latest from ABC News. Thanks for your company. Enjoy your evening.